up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today is not really anything special, but just me talking to you guys about some things you guys need to know if you don't follow any YouTubers on social media or anything like that. YouTube is having a lot of changes, and you guys just need to be informed of these changes, and pretty much I just need your help with some things. So I just wanted to make this video just so you guys are informed and know what is going on and everything. So yeah, let's just get on to the video and let me explain to you guys what's really going on and things you guys need to be informed of the changes on YouTube. Okay guys, so YouTube constantly changes what they're doing and who they want to share on YouTube, and the recent change coming this February, I think, it's not into play yet, but it's pretty much going into February. They're changing everything on YouTube of who they're sharing on YouTube. If you are not a YouTube partner or being monetized on YouTube, you are not being shared. Which YouTube really, I don't go for it for money. If I did, I would be gone by now. I wouldn't be doing this for about 2 years now. Because I'm not making money off it. Any of the videos I make. As you see, if you are not getting an ad, that YouTuber is not making money off that video. Since I don't have ads on my videos, I'm not making money, which is fine. The only thing is, because I'm not a YouTube partner, because I don't have the subscribers and the views, which I can go into later, I'm not being shared. Therefore, I've already seen the issues on not being shared. I don't know if this means if I'm not a YouTube partner, you being subscribed to me, you are not getting my videos in your subscription box. I don't know if that's what it means, because I uploaded a video, I saw the last time, so I uploaded a video once, and 3 days later it only had 2 views, which for me, that's not normal. I don't just get 2 views on a video. In the first like maybe 2 hours I will, because I don't have obviously a lot of subscribers. To me, I do, but like if you see like Nikki Tutorials, she'll get like 1,000 in like 1 minute, like, you know, something like that. But for me, I can get within that day the amount of views I would get for the video, and then it'll climb. So it'll be like maybe 20 to 30 views depending on the video of that day. But now when I upload, I get 2 views. I don't know if this is because no one's getting my videos into their subscription box, what's going on. But if you guys are now noticing that you're not receiving my videos, I think what you need to do, if you guys really want to see videos from me, hit the bell. Yes, you're going to hear this a lot, hit the bell. This is pretty much because YouTube is not sending out videos to people who are subscribed. They will, like, I have a lot of people that I see their videos and I'm not having the bell on them, and I see their videos and I watch it all the time, so I will still hit the bell if I'm really interested in their content. But if you do not have the bell on, I don't think you'll end up getting my videos. For now, I don't know what's actually really going on. I'm going to have to investigate a little bit more to see what's happening. But if you guys are really interested in my videos, please hit the bell and you guys can be notified when I upload. So why I'm also making this video is because people are always telling me in the comments, you need more subscribers and everything, and why don't you have more subscribers? Well, the thing is, now it's all becoming more of you guys sharing me. If you guys are really interested in my content and what I put out and really want me out there and like having people know about me, it's really up to you guys who are subscribed to me and interested in me to share my videos. It can be just posting a link, it could be even liking the video. Liking the video can do so much. It can say this person is interested. I'm pretty sure liking still does that. It seems like if so many likes can get there, saying, hey YouTube, a lot of people like this video, share it. That's pretty much what liking does. If you guys are really interested, I really would appreciate it, you guys doing that. I've been actually really climbing in subscribers a lot lately, so if you guys are doing that, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Like every day I feel like I have a new subscriber, and it's kind of crazy to me like I'm growing. And makeup has been my passion forever. If you watched that video why I started makeup, that shows I've been into makeup my whole entire life. I'm going to school for entrepreneurship, which is building a brand around your makeup so I can have my own business. So this is something I really enjoy doing, and I love teaching people about makeup and just the art of makeup and everything. I want to do a whole video on it, a different type of video, so I'm gonna eventually doing that. Speaking of doing videos, I am going to do the makeup, the purple eyeshadow look next week. I filmed a lot of videos last week, and I'm just putting them out there, and then next week I will film that purple makeup look video. I've been just more wanting to think of a look for that, so I'm definitely listening to your guys' requests. It helps me so much when I get into like what do I want to film and everything like that. You guys are helping me so much, and I love that you guys are communicating with me. So why I am not being shared and how to make me able to get shared by YouTube and get out there by YouTube and be suggested by YouTube. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, and it's not or, it's and 4,000 hours of watch time. This means like someone has watched your video, like you have people watching your, like a group of people watching your videos and like a 4,000 watch time. It's kind of hard to explain. So right now I post about 2 times a week, and with that happening I have like 190 something watch time hours, so that's like, it's a lot. So I've been told by like people around me, you should shorten your videos to 5 minutes. So it's a makeup video, an hour-long makeup video into 5 minutes, and people would be interested. Well, they're also not realizing like a lot of factors that go into that. I can't get the information I want across in 5 minutes. I can't make a makeup tutorial in 5 minutes. Like, you barely see those. They're very like, if they're one thing, like just face or like eyes or something like that, or like just like a shortened video that is already like 15 minutes long, you can make it into 5 minutes. So that's a lot of factors. Like, so to the people that are around me telling me to make it to 5 minutes, like try to, and not realizing just because I love the input, but because they don't understand YouTube as much as they need to, and the watch time you need, and the information that needs to get across, and all those little things. Like, don't get mad when I'm not taking your advice. Like, it's like telling, I don't know how to describe this, pretty much telling someone in their field how to do their job. Just don't do it, because whether you know something a little bit more, like, you can't really tell them about their field if you don't know what's really going on. And it's like my work, they don't see, you have to see the behind the scenes in order to understand the whole entire spectrum. Ow, I just hit my elbow. But yeah, there's just so much that I can do on my own, and it's really up to you guys what happens with me. Whether I stay at 230 subscribers, that's fine. I'm okay with that. But if you guys want to see me grow, it's up to you almost. And I'm not going to be the YouTuber that says go to Patreon or whatever, give me money. I'm going to make money off of YouTube, because YouTube is not, like, not off of YouTube, but like outside of YouTube, because YouTube is not going to be around forever, and I know this. And that is why I'm going to school, to be able to actually do something other than YouTube. But makeup is in the social media currently, therefore that's why I'm here. And I also have always lived behind a camera. Not lived behind a camera, but like love just filming in general, and I love doing this. So every day, every Tuesday, which I film every Tuesday, I just look forward to it, even though to me it's working, obviously, because it's working on building my business, I guess. And it's just a passion. It's like, do what you love. And if you love what you're doing, you don't feel like you're working. Yes, some days I'm like, I really don't want to film, but I know there's a goal I want to reach, and I have not reached that goal. Therefore, I'm not going to stop. Yes, I'm going to have days maybe I'm not going to film enough videos for 2 times a week, but my goal is to keep filming 2 times a week. I hope someday I can film enough so I can do more videos a week. I just don't have enough time to edit that much. There's a lot of going on to editing that is hard for me. I can already I play out my schedule of filming 2 videos or more, but editing 2 videos a week. So yeah. So I have a lot of videos that I actually want to share. There's one I'm kind of debating on actually putting out there just for certain reasons, but maybe I'll put it out there. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video telling you guys what's really going on YouTube, and that if you're not seeing me in your subscription box, it's YouTube. It's not that I'm not posting, it's YouTube. You need to put the bell on if you want to see me, and you need to obviously subscribe and then turn on the bell to be notified when I upload, which I say at the outro, so I sound like that's what I'm saying. Overall, YouTube is changing constantly, and they're changing who they're going to put out there. Whether they are making content to change the world, help others, or just because they're doing dumb stuff and have no reason to be on YouTube at all and shouldn't be in the public eye, because YouTube is pretty much the public eye now. So it's just really, YouTube is kind of going crazy, and I don't want to say downhill because it's really going uphill compared to where it was a couple of years ago, but it's really changing, and it's constantly changing who they want to share. It's up to you guys letting others know about me and sharing my content if you guys really enjoy it and feel like what you guys say, I need more subscribers, I need more people to watch me. It's really up to you guys if that happens. So I think that's really it, and I hope you guys got a little educated on what's going on with YouTube. This is not just with me, this is with any other small YouTuber, anyone that doesn't have the amount of people you probably see. I know a lot of other YouTubers that are actually big talking about this because they do support small YouTubers, which is great. I love seeing bigger YouTubers wanting to support smaller YouTubers. Like James Charles, he was doing others, like recreating his fans' makeup looks, which helps putting others out there. And Jeffree Star asking for people to send their YouTube links so he could watch them and spread about them. And then Ava talking about how it's dumb that YouTube is doing this and saying that they won't share someone because they don't have the recommended amount of people that are subscribed to them and watching them, making it harder for them to grow as a YouTuber. It makes it harder to grow as a YouTuber. I actually found a picture that I really liked about this. So this was the guy, his Twitter name is @OliverHowells. I'll put a picture of the screenshot up here. He said, "Dear small YouTubers, obstacles are put in your way to see if what you want is really worth fighting for. This change should only make you want to work harder and achieve your goals. Keep fighting and turn every negative into a positive." I love what he said about that, and it's really true. It's anything in life. It's not going to be easy. Since being in an entrepreneur class, it's always talked about how you are going to run into anything and everything, and you will fail a couple times before you achieve your dream. So just having that really is awesome, and it's true. Any small YouTuber looking at this, just one thing. I know I probably will get this a lot in the comments, because I do, and I just kind of mark it as spam because I know what's actually going on when they say this is when you spam my comments asking, "Hey, I love your video, just subscribe and you should sub back." I know what you're doing. I know you're subscribing to me, waiting for me to subscribe back. If I do or don't, you will unsubscribe. It's really just, I want to call it a scam. So there's a lot of those. So pretty much, don't ask me. because I'm not going to do it. I'm sorry. Unless I actually like what you're posting, I'm going to subscribe to who I like. But I know that you're doing this just to get the followers, which is not, it's an old technique, and it just is, sometimes you just gotta grow on your own. Sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say for that, and pretty much I just need your guys' help on growing. I also want to add people asking me why I don't market myself and get paid on YouTube. Well, this is pretty much why, and I can't do anything about it until I grow. So don't come at me saying you're doing a bad marketing strategy, why not, like everything. Well, I hope this video explains it, and it's not me. I can't really do any more than I already am. I'm sharing as much as I can on every social media I have, everything I can do, and pretty much me sharing is going out to the same people over and over and over again, so I can't do any more. So no, I don't get paid. I can't get paid. And this is pretty much why I can't get paid. And I think that is it. I hope you guys want to help me out on what to do. It's really up to you guys at this point. I'm sorry this was all very repetitive, but I just really wanted to get it all out there. And I'm very bad at like speaking about stuff like this and just like making sure I get everything across. But yeah, I think that is it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?